Tired of slow, expensive money transfers? Let's dive into how to send money directly to mobile money accounts using Worldremit. First, head over to Worldremit's website or open their app. You'll see options for how to send where you choose your send to country. Now, select the country you're sending money to. Worldremit supports sending to mobile money in many countries across the globe, including popular destinations. Next, you'll need to specify the transfer type. You will be given options like bank transfer, cash pickup. We are going to be looking at mobile money. Select this option. You will then be prompted to select the mobile money provider, like M-Pesa, Airtel Money, or MTN Mobile Money. Depending on the country, make sure to select the right provider for your recipient. After choosing your provider, you'll enter the recipient's mobile money account details. This includes their phone number registered with the mobile money provider, and usually their full name. Double-check this information to avoid any errors. Indicate the amount you want to send. Worldremit will automatically show you the exchange rate and any fees involved. Choose your payment method. This could be a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Once you've entered your payment details, review the summary. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Worldremit will notify you and your recipient typically instantly the money is sent. That is the completed process. Take note of your transaction limit and any specific requirements for your chosen destination. Remember, transaction limits vary, but Worldremit makes the process quick and easy.